Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, January 29th, and this is my recap of the top of videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, make sure to check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have a nice push down today, and we did have a break of structure, so that was a pretty good sign that we most likely have the end of an ABC correction, meaning that this move up right here is very likely to be a correction to this move down. So I would definitely be watching these Fibonacci retracement levels closely. I think at this point it probably is going to bounce off a Fibonacci level and most likely make another pretty good move to the downside. So I would personally definitely be looking for sorts in a downtrend. I'd be looking for three waves up and possibly engulf his bearish move to the downside for entries to go short. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.